Good energy. Okay, we will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, qualification match number 29 begins with the autonomous period. All 4 teams making movements. Team 19600 Treeman. We've seen them this whole day super consistent with their samples in autonomous, and they're not failing now. Also on the blue line, team 8645 Robotic Dogs successfully places a second specimen onto that high chamber, almost gets a third. Over on the Red Alliance, they have 1 specimen up on that high chamber and 3 samples up in the high
pick
basket.
up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, the teleop period begins. Drivers have picked up their controllers and all the robots are making their moves. Over on the Blue Alliance, team 19600, Treeman is also working on those samples up in that high basket again. Over on the Blue Alliance as well, team 8645, Robotic Dogs, is working on creating specimens and hanging them up. Meanwhile, over on the Red Alliance, team 13737, Belton Cyber Pirates, is working on putting some of those samples into that observation zone to be made into specimens. Also on the Red Alliance, team 6566, the Circuit Breakers, are working on trying to grab some samples. Team 8645, Robotic Dogs, for the Blue Alliance, have made quite an impressive amount of specimens. And also on the Red Alliance, team 13737 has done the same. Both alliances have created a lot of specimens. We have about 50 seconds left on the clock. Over on the Blue Alliance, team 19600 is working on getting more samples into that high basket. They are filling that up yet again. Meanwhile, teams 13737, Belton Cyber Pirates, and team 8645, Robotic Dogs, are competing with each other to see who can get more specimens onto that second chamber. About 30 seconds left on the clock. Both the Red and the Blue Alliance have placed a uncountable, for me at least, amount of specimens onto that high rung. There are quite a few on both of them. They're starting to blend together. About 10 seconds left on the clock. Match ends in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For Breaking Man Awards event record, that's the high bar to set.
Okay, and we are ready to meet the teams over here. For the Blue Alliance, we have 25656.
Pioneer Robotics.
For the Blue Alliance, we have